you, Andrew, can you leave us all alone? Now you feel that you wanna win this third turn, when you not care about nobody. You not care about nobody. Now here we are, comrades. Come on, this time we can lose. So when you go to voting, don't you leave the maroons. And there is nothing the labor right can do, 'cause them not care about nobody. Them not care about nobody. We are gonna left them crying. Come on, bro, got you too. Whoa, nothing you can do for PNP party to lose. You're just wasting your time. Bro, God, you're wasting your time. Just pack your bags and walk out the door. We don't wanna see your face no more. Oh, bro, God, you let us down. Say Mark Golden is standing firm. Oh, when you're leaving, just take your wife with you. Bro, God, there is nothing that you can do.